Hey, what's up guys? So I'm doing a quick review on the problems with these Range Rovers 2016 models, but I just thought I should share something with you guys because I remembered a post that I saw on Facebook where somebody had a Honda Insight with the dashboard destroyed, and he was complaining that the battery location of the Insight is very bad because they needed to jumpstart that car and they ended up having to remove the entire dashboard. So one of the reasons why batteries are no longer found in the front of the car, because it's not just that Honda Insight, even cars like this Range Rover, if you look under the hood, you're not going to find the battery anywhere here, and it's basically a safety measure when it comes to accidents. You don't want to have a battery up here in front because normally when you have an accident and the battery gets punctured or damaged, it can cause some serious harm because of the acid that is found if you're using a lead acid battery. And also some batteries can explode if you have a lithium battery or even some AGM batteries. The chemicals that are inside those batteries are very dangerous, so a lot of car manufacturers moved from putting batteries up in the front to different locations, whether it's under the dashboard like that Honda Insight, or in the boot for most BMWs and Mercedes-Benz, and other cars will have them even under the driver or the passenger seat. But when it comes to jump starting your car, in case you have a drained battery, there's always going to be jump points right in the front. So you can see on this Range Rover, you're going to have it in here. You look for this positive sign. Unfortunately in here it's black. Nice. Unfortunately in here it's black, but some cars will have it red. I know in the Range Rover Velar it's red, but you just look for the positive sign. So when you get your jumper cable, you're going to put your positive terminal here, and then you're going to use this right here as your ground point. Now some other cars are not going to have this as your ground point, but you can just put it on any bare metal part that is either on the engine itself, or if you can find like a bolt that is pretty much tied down to the structure of the car, you're going to be just okay. So that's what you're going to do, and every single car has these jump points. If you look under the hood and there's no battery, just look for a positive sign. It will be either in a red cover. A lot of cars actually have a red cover. I don't know why this one has it in black, but yeah, it will have a red cover. You know that you can put your positive there and your negative there. So that's just something I wanted you guys to know from that post. If you find this information useful, share it with someone, and yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.